Welcome back to Lee's Tech Channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the Neewer NW-81 shotgun mic. Okay, so here we have the Neewer NW-81 shotgun mic. Not much to see on the box. It's fairly basic with not very much information about the product. Just the Amazon sticker there. I did get this off Amazon and I will leave a link in the description below. On opening the box we can see that we get quite a reasonably good quality black plastic box. Now I have had this open already. Couldn't get it quite packed away like they had it from the factory. On opening the box you can see we get a few accessories with the microphone. Here we can see we have some a windsock, reasonable quality on that. We also have a XLR to 3.5mm jack cable. This does feel like fairly low quality, and I probably wouldn't recommend using this with the microphone. Next we have another cable. This is an XLR I'm not sure the size of that jack. It's a larger headphone jack. That's quite a long cable. Next we have a microphone holder. This is for a standard sort of tripod mount. That's relatively good quality, feels quite sturdy. And then we have another microphone mount. This one has the bigger thread to fit on a microphone stand. Then we have the mic itself. The mic is completely made of metal. And you can see the grills for the microphone at the top there. We have a couple of settings on the microphone. The microphone does feel like relatively good quality. The bottom of the microphone unscrews in order for us to fit in a battery. However, if you're using phantom power, there is no need for a battery with this microphone. All in all, the build quality is really solid on this, and I'm quite impressed with the quality of this for the price. Now, of course, the question you all have is, what does this microphone sound like? And here is the answer. So there we have it, the Neewer NW-81 shotgun mic. This is a great value mic, coming in at £19.99 at the time of recording. If you found this review and unboxing helpful in any way, please comment, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.